Hello everyone, SB Architects here. Today we are going to learn file types in Archicad. This video is made with support by team4beam.com. When you create your file, when you create your project, if you are going to save it, you are going to use PLN file type. If we go to file menu and if we click the save as, you will see your file type will be Archicad solo project, which is PLN. This PLN file consists of your models and your embedded objects. If we go to the libraries and objects, library manager, your PLN file will be consist of this embedded library. But as you can see here, we can see some objects, furniture, fixtures, doors, windows, etc. They're not included in your Archicad file. So where are they? They are linked libraries. What's the linked library? Linked library is the file which your Archicad file reads that object from that file. If we go to libraries and object, library manager, we will see libraries in this project. For instance, Archicad library 27, and we used another library for this tutorial. It was Ultimate Furniture Library Executive Series, and also the MEP library is open. This library is already quite big on its own. If we had included this library in our project, the size of our project would have been very large. So for this reason, we read the libraries from outside as a link, like this. But here comes a problem. For this station, for this project, you can see this executive series was linked. If I want to share this project with someone else, what happens? The receiver of this project will see all of the library, doors, windows, because they have already Archicad library 27 in their folder, but they won't see this kind of furnitures. For instance, this object, he or she won't see this object because this is a linked library in my computer and it's not embedded. You won't see this chair in this embedded part. We have only counter file as embedded. The receiver of this project will see the counter object in the floor plan, but he won't see any kind of the executive series or any other linked library except the native Archicad library 27. So what we are going to do? We have two options. First option is you will send your library with your file as a package, or you can allow Archicad to make it for you. To do it, you will go to the file and you will click save as. This time we are going to use the PLA. This is Archicad archive project. This PLA type will convert your Archicad file in an archive. It will copy all of the objects, even doors, even windows, chairs, whatever you use, it will be a kind of embedded in your object. So in that situation, it will increase your project file size. Let's compare. I'm going to save this file as PLA to same folder. I'm gonna hit save. As you can see, it calculates something. It collects all of the objects and package them. Now I'm going to go to the folder. There we go. Here I have opened the folder, and as you can see, the file type is 232. It's too big for a simple project file, but the basic file size is 11.7 megabyte. This is 232 and this is 11, only 11. The differences comes from the library object, library parts, such as this chair, even this door, window, fixtures, even maybe the stair parts and which texture you used in the 3D. So, how can we use PLA file as a receiver? Let's just close this window, close project, and I'm going to open PLA file. By the way, before continue to this, let me introduce you Team for being the sponsor of this video. In challenging projects where navigating through complex architectural designs becomes overwhelming, their highly skilled team is ready to support you in all stages of Archicad, Revit and BIM constructions and designs. They are a team of certified freelance architects, Archicad, AutoCAD, drafters and technicians. Their goal is to help you to boost your productivity, expanding your drafting and BIM modeling capabilities by outsourcing drafting services to them. They are using the most advanced architectural CAD BIM software and their aim is to provide quality service of designing, drafting and object modeling at a low price. They just provide an upfront quotation on the complete project so you will know the total cost without any surprise. If the project is open-ended, then the standard hourly rate will apply. Either way, you are in control of the cost upfront, so no surprise. I will add a link into the description so you will be able to reach their website. Alright, let's go back to our tutorial. Now we are going to go to File menu, Open and click Open. As you can see, the symbol is quite different. It's as if it were lightly squeezed by hand, right? Anyway, now we are going to double click this and we will see an opened window. We will see three kind of options. First one is read element directly from archive. This is only to read the file, to open the file. It's going to save you a hard drive space, but changing and manipulating objects will be a kind of messy. Let's go to our second option, which is extract elements to a folder. I recommend this option if you are going to continue editing the file. And the third one is selecting library. If you are sure you have the libraries which was used in the project and you have them, you can go with the select a library. You must use this if only you are sure that this library contains all the elements the project refers to. I will show you all three. Let's start from first, read elements directly from archive. I'm gonna click open. Let's wait a little. And there we have opened our file. Everything is visible and now we can switch to all of the floors and we won't see any problem. But the problem will come when you want to save this. I'm gonna make this test and hit the save and it was saved. But the problem is you will have both the test file, you will use the 11 megabyte for the project and also you will see the PLA file as well, which is 232 megabyte. Let's go back to the project. Let's say that we are going to add a door, except this one. Well, I know I can easily copy this to here, but that's not the point. I'm going to create a different door type. Therefore, I'm gonna go to door, go to settings, and as you can see, we are under the doors. We have only these three because therefore we did use only these three types of door for this project, in this project. If you want to create a different door, you have to relink the library into your project. As you can see, under the linked libraries, we only see this complete office building part 4, and we only have specific doors and objects. To solve this, we are going to link our libraries. We will go to Library Manager and we are going to click Add. You will locate your Archicad 27 or which version you use. You will go to Archicad library and you will use the Archicad library 27 LCF file. You will click that and click open. And after that, we are going to click this reload and apply, and then we will click OK. Now I want to place a different kind of door. I'm going to click the door, go to settings, and now I can change the door type. And as you can see, the door library is completely full under the Archicad library 27. Alright, this is okay. Now let's switch back to the second method. I'm gonna close this project, don't save, and reopen the file. Now I'm going to select the second option and I'm going to extract a folder, and extracted folder won't be included into this project. Let's go to extract, and when we determine a folder, we will hit OK. It's creating that folder right now. And there we have opened our file as a different method. Let's go to folder, and when you open the folder, you will see a folder as a named with your file, and you will see that all of your objects was included in this folder as a object type as GSM. Now let's go to library and library manager, and as you can see, the linked library is the file which we have copied created right now. The benefit of using this method, let's say that you are going to continue working with this project, and first of course we have to save this file. I'm going to hit the save, and I'm going to save this as a test file. And once you do this, if you change something in this project, you can send this project to receiver, to someone else, without repacking as archive project as PLA. I can directly send this project file to someone else as PLN file type, and I can get it back too with only PLN file, because I already have the archive project and I can easily manipulate it. What that means is, let's close this project and open once again. I'm going to open the PLA file, and this time I'm going to use the select a library. As you can see, it asks me the executive series. It asks where is the executive series, dude. I will show you. Let's click add. There we have located our folder, and this time I am going to link this file. Let's click OK. But before, I suggest you using this reload apply if it was possible. Alright, as you can see, our chairs are visible, even they are in the executive library series, even it is external. Now I'll go to the library object, library manager, and it's not red. Let's go forward. I can even click this executive series and remove. Of course, I can remove this MEP library. I know I didn't use it as well. And I can even remove this Archicad library 27, but I won't because I know I'm going to continuing on for this project. Just like this. Alright guys, now let's go to the tip of the day. If you are here until now, to this moment, you are the winner. You will learn the tip of the day. Let's say that you are going to continue working for this project and you want to send this project to someone else, but before sending this, you don't want to turn this project to an archive file. My target is sending this project to someone else, and I don't want to create an archive file. I want to send only PLN file because the file size will be way more lower and it's easy to send via internet connection. Your file size won't be such as 200 or 300 megabytes. Alright, let's close this window and let's open the original file. Alright, here we have opened the project and I know I have only used this library, which is Breeze, and this ton single and this coffee table. Now we will right click this and click show in library manager. As you can see, Archicad automatically located the GSM object from your library series. Now I can extract this to an object outside of Archicad. From the bottom of the window, I will see this export selected library item into local folder. Let's click that. And I'm going to hit export after I determine the export location. And then I will click OK. I will go to the export location. And as you can see, I can see the GSM file. Now I'm going to drag and drop here. Once I have done this, I will make the same for other objects. For this copy table, go to library manager. It was selected automatically. Click export, export, export. Go to here and drag and drop. There are one object left, which is this chair. Right click, go to library manager, select export, export, click OK, go to folder and drag and drop. Now they are embedded into your object. Let's control this if it is going to work. I'm going to unlink the libraries for this furnitures. Alright, somehow it isn't worked. So to achieve this, I'm going to reapply this coffee table and other GSM files. Now it works. We will drag and drop. As you can see, the furnitures we have saved as GSM files are opened. But we haven't done this, it's not important. Let's go to Library Manager and you will see your file size will be increased. Let's go to Embedded Library. You will see the furnitures are embedded into your file. And this will increase your file size, but not as much as Archicad. Let's save this file, save as a test. And you will see the differences. The test file size is a little higher than original. As you can see, it's 19. And original file size is 11. From now on, you can easily send this project without archive, and it will be way more faster, because I know some projects as a archive file can reach to 1 GB, 2 GB, and it's impossible to work with it. And this was the differences between the PLN and PLA and how you can use them. And if you are serious about learning Archicad, you can go to my Patreon page. From there, I will be waiting for you. Alright, thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye.